explore these new worlds, we also have to think about the potentials, I guess, when we have all this kind of data flowing of what's at stake. The potential, I guess, of insecurity. So how secure are these 5G networks?
You're right, Isabel. The security, I think, needs to be front and center. And you know, I often say it's if somebody hacks your cell phone, you know, your account on one of the mail servers, it's a nuisance. But imagine if you would hack society. Whoa. And ransomware, what could happen? Yeah. So security really needs to be front and center. I would say the 5G standard is actually very, it's already, when it was standardized, we built in security, we built in privacy already into the design. But there are a number of things that needs to go together. So you need to think about how you deploy, where you deploy, what type of security settings you have, how do you think of choice of vendors, how do you actually operate the network, how do you maintain physical security in the network. There are a number of these things that needs to kind of be thought about by the network operator. So that's going to be important, and I do think that, you know, touching upon AI as it's part of our everyday life now, but we can safely assume bad guys will use AI to try to penetrate individuals, consumers, enterprises, and networks, right? So we need to start using AI to protect ourselves as well. So it's a bit of an arms race where I think we need to be very mindful of the network centrality and how we protect that security.